How to get 1K subscribers in 6 days. I'll be talking about that in this video. See, I do not blame any YouTubers or any new YouTuber that will start YouTube and then they are worried about subscribers. I will not blame any of them, because it's a normal thing for you to start YouTube today and be hoping that you get 1,000 subscribers tomorrow. It's a normal thing, but I'm here to tell you that you should take it easy. Take it easy, because you are still going to get it later on. I've been coming across a lot of videos of people saying how to get 1,000 subscribers in 6 days. Some will even tell you 2 days, some will even tell you 3 days, 4 days. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the truth about this 1K subscribers that many people are looking for. I'm going to tell you the truth and how you can achieve it. You get? So all these in 6 days, please, if you start putting that days, that you get, you are pressuring yourself. And if it doesn't happen, that's when you now start looking for who will do sub for you, who will do this for you, who will do that for you. That is when you now start begging and begging people to subscribe, even though they don't want to subscribe. You start begging them. You get? So please and please, stop putting yourself under unnecessary pressure. I call it unnecessary pressure, because you see that 1K subscriber you are looking for, within the twinkle of an eye you will get it. Only one video will give you that subscribers and more, I'm telling you. So all you need to do is this. Take note. Now post your video. Post your video, even though nobody subscribed from that particular video. Post it. If you have time, you can film more video. Go ahead, film the second video and post it. Even though nobody subscribed from that particular video, post it. Do you know one thing I like about YouTube? Sometimes you don't feel like subscribing to somebody's channel, but YouTube keep pushing that particular video to you. So okay, you just be like, okay, let me watch this video. You watch it and then you just swipe to the next one. You will not subscribe. You get? Before you know it again, you come online the next day and YouTube is also pushing that same video to you. And you are like, is this the same person I watched yesterday? Why is person they follow me? You still watch the video and move on. The next day again, before you know it, that person is very consistent. Oh, the person posts another video again, YouTube will also push it to you. You get? So sometimes that is how people subscribe to channels. That is how they subscribe. By the time they watch your video once, this thing is common on Facebook, it's common on Instagram, it's common on YouTube, and it's common on TikTok. If somebody watch your video once, there is every tendency that that person will see your video again when you post, or they can even start seeing your old videos, the one you have posted before. So what I will advise you to do, see all these shortcuts they are giving you, people get 1K subscribers in 6 days, in 5 days, in 4 days. See, let me tell you, just be posting your videos consistently and make sure your video is okay. So before we do video, you won't be seeing their face clearly. Nobody wants to watch a video that is not clear. So people will do video, their voice is not sound. I don't know how to put it. Their voice is somehow like it's not clear. You can't really hear them well. They can easily swipe. They won't watch that video. So what I will advise you to do is this: just be posting videos and make sure that particular video you are posting is a good video. You are posting good videos. You know, there's this satisfaction you have when you know that what you are doing is the right thing. Even though you are not yet seeing the result, you already know that I'm doing the right thing. I'm doing the right thing. You already have that feeling, you already have that mindset that you are doing the right thing. Even though the results you want has not come, you are doing the right thing. There is that satisfaction you will have. So as far as you know that you are doing the right thing on this YouTube, your 1K subscribers will come. I have this channel set, so your 1K subscriber will come. Please, all these shortcuts they are telling people to do, sometimes it's not the best though. It's not the best. They will tell you, go and do sub for sub, let's support each other, let's do this, let's do that. There is no crime when you support your fellow YouTuber. But by the time you now turn it to an habit, because you are looking for 1K subscriber, you are now on everybody's comment section telling them, new YouTubers here, please support me, let me support you, please. So just be posting your videos. Make sure your video is okay, your topic is okay, your thumbnail is okay. Continue doing what you are doing. Your 1K subscribers, you will get it. I'm telling you, Watch this video, save this video. You will come back and tell me thank you later. I'm telling you. You will come back and thank me later, because this is the truth. Because by the time you not get your 1K subscriber, you will not be begging again, oh, that please come and subscribe to my channel. You won't be begging. You won't be begging. This same thing I just told you is what will also make you to start getting views. Start getting people to watch your video. Sometimes the process might be very slow. It might be very slow to get. But that's why I said you should put on the garment of patience when you want to start YouTube. Some people, it can take 1 month to monetize. Some people, it can take 1 year. Some people, it can take 2 years, 2 months, and some people, it can take 2 years. So that's how it works. You get. So please, all these shortcuts that people are looking for. So shortcut is sweet, but sometimes, it's not sweet. So you have to be careful. Do things in the right way. Your 1K subscriber is sure. You can even get it in that 6 days they are telling you, but just do it the right way. If your video go viral, or you're able to, you do a video that anybody that sees that video, they like it, they will subscribe. And let me also let you know that some people do not like subscribing to other people's channel. It's not because they don't like your content. They will be watching your video. Anytime you post videos, they are watching it, but they will not subscribe. It's not because they don't like you, it's because they don't like subscribing to people's channel. They don't like it. So any video that YouTube push to their news, is it newsfeed that will call it now? So any video that YouTube push to them, they will watch it. If they like the topic and the thumbnail, they will go ahead and watch it. So that is it for some people. You cannot force somebody to subscribe to your channel. If you force them today, tomorrow they will go and unsubscribe. You get. So we need people that will subscribe and they will stay. They will be supporting us. That is what we need. Not people that will subscribe today and tomorrow they will go and unsubscribe. Please, let's do it rightly. This is year 2025. Let's do it the right way. I wish you the very best on your YouTube channel. This year, you are going to get monetized. Just do the right thing. Do the right thing. You are almost there. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment for me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.